Final Four appearance. So this is a first step towards your journey na or back-to-back. So what can you say about this feat, personally and for the team?
So we're satisfied with this win. Happy kami sa laro na to kasi maganda laro namin. We followed game plan and yun, I challenged them to share the ball more for this game. So happy ako kasi we got 37 assists. So that's a testament of how this group of girls really want to play for each other, share the ball, na thinking about the team. So yeah.
Thank you to Dindy. In 40 minutes of action, 11 points, 3 assists, 1 rebound. So what can you say? Final Four ka agad dito sa first season mo sa Lady Bulldogs. So what can you say?
Parang dalawa 3 points.
Siyempre po na masaya po na nandito ako ngayon. At ano po, masaya talaga ako na nakalaro po ulit ako kasi after 3 surgery na nangyari sa akin. Sobrang saya po. Di ko pa expect na mapunta ako dito ngayon.
Okay. And you had 12 points. Triple-double. 12 points, 11 rebounds, 11 assists, and you had 6 steals and 1 block. So, yun nga, ito first step pa lang to, yung Final Four. So, syempre, may mga kailangan pa kayong goals na abutin. So, ano masasabi mo na yun nga, ito sa unang season pa lang ni Coach D.A., Final Four ng ganyan, hopefully makadarating kayo sa dulo.
Siyempre, we're happy na ayun, mag-Final Four na rin kami sa MAS. And siyempre, yung goal pa rin, isa lang pa rin yung goal namin is yung ma-defend namin yung championship. And kahit hindi naman ito first time ni Coach Da na first time niya lang mag-head coach as head coach, pero hindi naman to bago sa kanya. And may tiwala kami sa kanya and sa system niya kung paano niya ilalatag sa amin yan. And we're happy.
Thank you. Okay, the floor is open.
Coach, for the longest time yun nga, nag-final for yung NU, and then most of them, it ended up with the championship. Siguro for you, the past few years na nandun ka sa team, ano yung nakikita mong constant na yun yung, sa mga players nag-iiba-iba pero bakit yung level of success same pa rin every time for NU?
Well, of course, the winning culture is already established. Pero, yun nga, syempre, every year, nag-iiba-iba yung players namin. Players come and go, graduate. But the winning culture is there. And ang ano doon is yung in-embrace ng mga bawat players namin na gumagraduate or coming in, yung playing for each other, na inuuna namin yung team rather than the individual glory. So, yun nga, thinking about the team and yun nga, focus again namin is just one game at a time. So yun lang.
Pwede mong share sa amin yun, kamusta ba yun naging journey mo? Of course, from yung rookie season mo ng 85 and then yung paglipat mo ng NU. And then now yun nga, nagka-breakout game ka for them. Siguro paano mo na lang na-feel yung trust nila sa'yo, especially this game?
So, yan, nung rookie year ko nga na ACL ako noon. So, after noon, lumipat nga ako ng NU. Then, naglaro ako last season. Then, na-injury ulit ako noon. And, lagi lang ako sinasabihan ng mga coaches na magpatuloy lang ako, sipagan ko lang lagi. And, hindi naman mawawala yung tiwala nila sa akin. Kaya parang, tinutuloy ko lang kasi alam kong nandyan sila, sinusuportahan nila ako.
And first triple-double mo daw sa career mo to. Siguro, ano na lang yung feeling na to be surrounded also by yung mga teammates mo na kumbaga, natutulungan ka nila mag-succeed individually also.
So, ayun nga, kanina, hindi ko rin kasi alam na yun yung stats ko. So, parang sinasabihan kami ng coaches and yung kasama ko naman sa court, parang, kumbaga, they fed me na, ito, kailangan mo ng ganito. Sige, kami bahala sa'yo. Parang ganun. Parang, kasi alam nila na, na parang kahit hindi ko naman yun magagawa na ako lang. So parang kailangan ko rin sila. So parang sila rin, dahil din sa kanila.
Part nila, yeah.
Coach, all 4 quarters na panalo ng MU, hindi tulad ng previous games yun na parang first quarter nalalamang kayo, pero yung second and fourth kayo na. So ito na ba yung level of consistency na hinahanap mo sa team or may hinahanap pang mas mataas na level of consistency sa kanila?
Of course, yung kasi yung challenge ko sa kanila eh. Before nung game, I challenged everybody to level up yung game namin. Kung paano kami naglaro ng first round at saka yung first few games namin nito second round, I just told them na let's level up. Na ang mindset natin ngayon is, yes, ngayon, if we win this 9 game, we'll be in the Final Four again. So sabi ko sa kanila, it's like playoff mode already. So yun, happy ako dahil we really responded well. I think ito yung isa sa mga probably best game namin. Yun nga, again, it shows with our 37 assists. So yun, happy with this win.
Congratulations, Coach.
Thank you.
Hindi nakalaro ka last year ng UAAP season. Nakailang games?
4 lang.
Sorry,
Thanks,
Hindi
Coach.
rin niya natapos eh.
Congrats!
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Talagang unfin. Triple promo.
85 yung rookie year niya